are stronger together, bound together by the ideas of equity, freedom, and the pursuit of happiness. Thank you. My name is Ana Romero. I am an elementary school teacher here in the United States. I work as a second grade teacher in Larchmont Elementary in Tacoma.
I came from Mérida, Yucatan, Mexico, around 12 years ago. I'm a graduated lawyer from the University of Mayab. I was a high school teacher for 1 year in Mexico. And in the Mexican system, if you graduate as a lawyer, at least when I graduated, you were prepared to be a high school teacher. I finished my master's degree and I decided coming to the United States to practice my English and perfect a little bit more of my craft. Quite quickly, I fell in love with this country. It ended up being that I stayed, and the time came to decide if I was going to become a teacher or I wanted to still be a lawyer. And just watching the public school system in the United States, I realized that is what's keeping this country going. That is what's keeping this country strong. It's children. I came to Olympia to really make sure that they see the human side of teaching, that we teachers really want to help our students, and we just want the minimum they deserve, which is, ample funding. It's the most important thing in our country, and I really don't know why it's not a priority at this point. I really value the freedom that appears in my contract to make the best decision and choices for my students. And I also really appreciate that legal support that we teachers need.
Hi, nice to meet you, Ana Romero.
When I started working as a teacher, you don't really understand what you're facing. You really believe you're going to go to school and everything is going to be fine because you're fighting for the students. Why would anybody not allow you to do your job? And then when you are in that profession, you understand that you are the protector of the students, but as a teacher, you also need a protector. And so while we do our job for our students, I have the security and I have the backing of my union. And the stronger the unions are, the stronger the teachers are, and the more we can defend our students without fear. Unions were created to make us the freedom to be able to face those big monsters that we couldn't face on our own. The union makes us not only individuals. In the union, I'm not only a teacher. In the union, I'm all the teachers that are behind me. And I really believe in NWA, and I really believe in what they're doing for us. And I really believe that fighting for the WA is fighting for our students.
Hi, Matt Burns. Nice to meet you.
On this is that we really need to be able to be flexible with local funding and still have everything that the state should fund funded. Right. And right now, the McCleary fix hasn't fixed everything that needs to be fixed.
The kids have us. Who do we have as teachers? And that's what the union does for us. And we, I've been informing new teachers. The union is your home. I'm proud to belong to WA because I'm very proud to fight for my students alongside my brothers and sisters, teachers and educators.